How to contact Google Ads support. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact Google Ads support. To contact Google Ads support is not difficult. It is very straightforward. The first thing for you to do is to log in into your Google Ads account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you would see your Google Ads page by the on your screen, and then by the left side you see some options such as the create, campaigns, goals, tools, billing, admin, and then by the top right corner of the screen you would see some options as well, such as appearance, refresh, help, notifications, then your profile. Just go ahead and click on help. Okay, so once you click on help, a box will be displayed under help asking you to search quick help. All right, so to search quick help, you can just type out your question here and solutions will be provided. Okay, and there are different articles here on how you can on how you can um walk through your app, your Google Ads account. And then if you've asked your question and you cannot get a benefiting answer, just scroll down and then you see the option need more help. Ask the help community. You can decide to ask the help community. You can take guided step, or you can just click on contact us for you to speak with them directly. So, and once you click on contact us, a box will be displayed. Type out your question here. And once you type out your question, the next step option would be made available. Click on it and then you'll be redirected on what to do. So this is how you can contact Google Ads support. I hope this tutorial is very helpful. Thanks for watching.